Hello, I'm Tom Groff with the Optical Gauging Products. OGP is presenting 3 products today related to the medical industry. The first product here is the SmartScope Specialist. This comes in a variety of sizes. This particular one is a 12 by 12 by 10 inch travel machine, which is a very suitable size for a lot of medical components such as the orthopedic implants that you see on the stage here. This machine has multiple sensors, touch probe, laser, video, and micro probes to acquire the various measurements on the parts. We also have software that allows you to do 3D analysis on the part, which is shown here. The Snap is a product that we offer that is a digital measuring machine intended for very fast measurements. This handles 75 millimeter working area for parts that are small like this, a very fast, very accurate system. You can take a part, put it on the stage in any orientation that automatically detects the orientation and is able to do quick measurements on the part and output results very quickly. We're also featuring for the first time the Vici Vision machine. This is a shaft measuring machine that is intended for vertical scans of cylindrical type parts. Comes in a variety of sizes. This particular one is intended for small parts, has a very high resolution, and is very suitable for medical devices such as dental implants, bone screws, things like that have a lot of detail and are cylindrical in shape. It's able to rotate the part and scan across the part to acquire various dimensions on the part. The Specialist has the ability to measure with multiple sensors, so it can come pick up a scanning probe, which is used for tactile measurement, where it actually touches the part, maintains continuous contact as it scans, and acquires data, lots of data points as it scans over surfaces. The data is then used to extract dimensional measurements. The data can also be overlaid onto a 3D CAD model, and color maps as well as GD&T analysis can be performed for feedback for the production processes. Here it's doing multiple scans on spherical and cylindrical surfaces to establish cylindricity, taper, sphericity, and the relationships between the geometries. Docking the probe now, putting the probe away so it has room to use laser and video. Here it's using video to make multiple video measurements. The video tool is good for measuring change in contrast, so where surfaces meet, which are typically defined by some geometries that are lines, circles, arcs, and curves. Now, the laser is good for measuring surfaces, for acquiring data on unknown contours or known contours to establish planes, surfaces, and the Z heights in particular. The Snap digital measuring machine allows you to load the part, press the run button. It automatically detects the orientation and the location, automatically scans the part, and runs from there. And does its run. Fast, quick measurements, allows you to see an output with green or red tolerancing on the dimensions. So one of the great things about the Vici system is the flexibility of getting multiple dimensions out of the measurement. For example, you can get diameter measurements, length measurements between intersections, length measurements to radii, and you can also get radius dimensions, even if it's a small arc segment radius like this one here. As part of the rotation measurement, you can get roundness plots, and within each of these dimensions you can look at a measure trend to see what's happening with your process if you're measuring multiple parts. Also, as part of the rotation, you're able to get angles between clocked portions of the part. For example, this part has a nut on it, so you can get the angles between the nut faces as well as asymmetry and diameter of the nut. A special feature of the Vici is its ability to measure threads. For example, based on a database of threads, it calculates all of the nominals and is able to give you the thread pitch, nominal diameter, medium diameter, the core diameter, roll dimensions based on gauge diameters, useful length, the crest angle, and the crest height. OGP offers a complete line of optical and multi-sensor measurement systems for medical and dental components. Please visit www.ogpnut.com for more information or to locate a channel partner near you. I'm Tom Groff with Optical Gauging Products.